Introducing Izenda's Beta Report Designer, a new report design workflow that makes working with data a much simpler and more intuitive process. With designated steps for each part of the design process, our Beta Report Design interface guides designers through selecting data sources to consolidating robust visualizations in a report. Here's how. There are three fundamental steps in Izenda's new Beta Report Design interface. Designing individual report parts with the report designer. Orienting the report parts within a singular interface with the layout designer. Configuring access rights to the report through permissions and sharing. In the report part designer, there are three steps to get you started on creating a report. In Select Your Data, there are three different columns of options. The area farthest left shows all the data objects available to your user. This will be a list of tables, views, or stored procedures available in your database. Each object can be expanded to see the individual columns. From this expanded interface, select either the entire data object or individual columns. These selected data points will be available data objects throughout the rest of the workflow. Should the user want to create or duplicate additional datasets in the visualizations, they can select the Add New Report Part button. Select Next to move to the Filter Your Data section. Here, with the data selected from the previous tab, users are presented with a grid. There are header options should any adjustments to this dataset need to be made. To add filters, click the Add Filters button. To click a new filter, click the plus button next to the data object. Click Next to see the visualization types that apply to the selected data points. The grid type can be swapped out or become a visualization by choosing one of the chart options. Selecting Chart opens a new interface giving users drop-down menus and picture-based instructions on where to add data. Labels, values, and separators can also be added through these drop-downs. The Styling tab allows for data visualization styling options such as colors, conditional formatting, and more. The Properties tab allows for individual fields to be adjusted. For example, to change a function or format on a field, select it from the drop-down and use the options available to make the change. Select Next to move to the Layout Designer. Here, constructor reports can be added to the layout of the report. Click an empty area to add the visualization. To resize, select the ellipsis drop-down from the visualization or simply drag the corners. Click Next to move to the Permissions Configuration area to ensure that only the right users have access to this new report. Once finished with this report, the designer can save it into any category of reports they have access to. With Izenda's Beta Report Designer, any user can easily create and share reports. For an in-depth look at our new Beta Report Design interface, check out our other videos. And for more information on Izenda, please visit our website.